Today, we're going to solve a question related to compound interest. The question goes like this. A person deposited rupees 4 lakhs in a development bank for 2 years to get the half-yearly compound interest at the rate of 12% per annum. After deducting 6% tax on the interest, but right after a year, bank changed the policy and decided to accomplish the interest terminally at same rate of interest. Terminally means quarterly, which means 3 months, a year. This 12% is the rate, 2 years time, and rupees 4 lakhs is the principal. So for the first year, the bank charges half yearly compound interest. After deducting the tax, he gets the interest. But after a year, bank changed its policy and decided to accomplish the interest terminally, which means after a year, bank decided to pay the interest quarterly. So first, let's write given we have rupees 4 lakhs as a principal, P1, rate, tax deduction, which we have 6%, rate is equals to 12% per annum. Solution. A formula to find half-yearly compound interest is given by half-yearly compound interest CI is equals to P times 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2t minus 1, which is our formula to calculate half-yearly compound interest, where P is the principal, T is the time in years, R is the annual interest rate. For the first year, T is equals to 1 year. We know we have been asked to calculate the compound interest for the first year, the half-yearly one. So half-yearly compound interest CI1 is equals to P times 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2t minus 1. Let's insert the value right here. 4 lakhs, which is the principal, 1 plus 12 by 20, 2t, which is the time is equals to 1, so 2 into 1 is equals to 2, minus 1, 4 lakhs, 1 plus 0.06 to the power 2. So we have got this right here, 4 lakhs, 1.06 square minus 1, 4 lakhs into 1.1236 minus 1, 4 lakh into 0.1236, which is rupees 49440. Now we have net interest after deducting 6% tax is equals to interest minus tax of interest. Our interest is 49,440 minus 6% of 49,440. 49,440 minus 2,966.4, rupees 46,473.6 is our net interest after deducting the tax. Therefore, net interest after deducting the tax 6% is rupees 46,473.6. For number 3, for second year, we have been given to calculate the compound interest quarterly. The principal is equals to 4 lakhs plus the interest we have calculated from question number 1. Principal is equals to 4 lakhs plus 46,473.6. So the principle goes like this. This is our principle. We know compound interest terminally CI2 is equals to P times 1 plus R by 400 whole to the power 4t minus 1. 4,46,473.6. 1 plus 12 by 400, 4 times to the power 4 times 1 minus 1. 4,46,473.6. 1.0.03 whole to the power 4 minus. So 4,46,473.6 into 1.03 to the power 4 minus 1. 4,46,473.6. 1.12550,881 minus 1. We should take all the decimal. Don't miss out any of them, otherwise the answer may come incorrect. Is 56,036.37023. Now net interest after deducting 3% tax is equals to interest minus tax percent of interest. 56,036.3703 minus 6% of 56,036.37023. 56,036.37023 minus 3,362.182214. So the interest after deducting 6% tax is equals to rupees 52,674.18802. Therefore net interest deducting 6% tax is rupees 52,674.1102. Difference between the interest of the first year and second year after deducting tax. Difference is equals to net interest of second year after deducting tax minus net interest of first year after deducting tax. 52,674.1882 minus 46,473.6 rupees 6,200.588,013. So the difference is 6,200.588,016. For the 5-number question, percentage difference between the interest of first year and the second year after deducting the tax. Percentage difference is equals to difference divided by interest of first year into 100%. 6,200.588,016 divided by 46473.6 times 100%. 0.133421723 into 100%. 13.342178%. So the percentage difference is 13.34%. Thank you for watching.